Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Chromecast and switching your VU TV to that HDMI input. This is critical because the device won't initialize unless the TV shows its setup screen. Once done, make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use. The Google Home app needs that match to discover the Chromecast. Also plug the Chromecast into a stable USB power source rather than the TV USB port if you see instability. Open Google Home and add a new device. The app scans and should show your Chromecast. Tap it and confirm the 4-digit code displayed on your VU TV so you know you're pairing the right unit. Then choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Connecting the Chromecast to the same router gives low latency and stable streaming. Once connected, name the Chromecast logically so you can cast to it easily, and grant any device permissions Google Home requests. To finish, open a Cast-enabled app or Chrome, tap the Cast icon, and select your Chromecast name. Video should begin playing on the VU TV. Make sure the TV remains on the HDMI input, and if audio or resolution looks off, check the VU TV's HDMI audio and picture settings since resolution negotiation can vary. If nothing appears, reboot the Chromecast and router, confirm both devices are on the same network, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast to clear setup errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.